Hello guys, welcome back once again. I hope you are doing great. In today's session, we are going to learn about dim radius, dim diameter, dim center, dim angular, and I command. So first, we will go with respect to radius. As I told you people where you are going to find your dimension in the in the menu bar. You are going to find your dimension. Under the dimension, you are going to find your radius. Here you got radius. Here you got diameter, and your center is there. Here you got the center mark, and one more is angular is there. Here you got the angular, and id they have not mentioned here. I have been added over here, so I will teach you what is id also, or else you can find your diameter is there, your radius is there, right, your center line is there, your angular is there, right. So with the help of your toolbar also you are going to find all these commands. With the help of your menu bar also you are going to find, or else you can check out here also you are going to find angular is there, radius, diameter is there, right. So we'll go one by one. We'll see how it is going to work with respect to your toolbar or a menu bar. These all are same. So I will go with respect to the shortcut commands. I will type in the comment section, so you just follow how I was doing. So I got here any of the circle. For to work with any of these shortcut commands or your toolbar, I need any object. For that a particular object I need to check out the dimension, then I need to I should have some object, then only I can find out the dimensions of that object, right. So there is no anything on the screen, means how can I find out the dimensions? First I need to take one circle, because now I was checking out the radius. So radius or a diameter you can find out with respect to arc or with respect to your circle. See, first I was now I have been taken circle, I was tapping out the screen. So now it is asking me whether you are going to provide any of the units. For example, I was giving for this circle as a 5 units, and I will hit enter. I don't know what it has taken. By default it has taken as a diameter or radius, I don't know. So by default now it is specifying me it has taken as a radius as a by default. I need to check out whether it is a diameter, what should be the diameter of this circle, and what should be the diameter of the, what should be the radius of this circle, and what should be the diameter of this circle. So before going this one, so whether I am finding anywhere the center point of the circle, no, right. So to get back to get the center point of the circle, what I can do is I can type DCE, dimension of center, right. So or else you can just tap over here, you got the center mark, you opt from your toolbar, just here you click here, and it is asking you this, select the arc or a circle. See, I got here one circle, I was selecting here, I was getting the center point of the circle. Same way if I was going for an arc, now I am taking the freehand arc, first point, second and third point. I don't know where is the center point for this arc, right. So to get this center point for this arc, what I can do, I just go in the center mark, I will click here, it is asking me select the arc or object. When I click on this object, I will find the center of this arc, correct. So now I got here radius. So for this radius what I will do, DRA I will type in the comments, DRA, and I'll press space. See here, now it is asking me select the arc or a circle. So when I was selecting this circle, you can check out here, it is showing me the 5 units, right. So if you want to place anywhere else, you can place that one. See, now I will take this one, now it is asking me select the arc or a circle. So when I was tapping here, now it is freely rotating, the dimension is rotating wherever you want, you can just keep there and click once again, it will place there for you people, right. So the same way, whatever the radius for this arc is there, if you want to find out that one, again go here, or you just type in the comment section, just select the arc, you place somewhere else like this, you are going to get the radius of 5 units, the radius of 7.8757 is 65 units. So this is how you are going to find out your radius of that particular circle. For example, I was taking again random circle over here, right. I was taking random circle over here and I was placing here. I want to find out what is the diameter of this circle. So what I will do, I will type here, or you can opt from here toolbar, this one is the diameter, you can click this one and select the object. You can place somewhere else your diameter, you will get the diameter, or else type in the comment section that DDI and press space or a enter. Now it is asking me select the arc or a circle. So I was selecting the circle now. See here, I was placing here. For diameter you are going to get the diameter symbol, for radius you are going to get the R. Alright, the same way I will show you for the radius here. Now it is asking me select the arc or a circle. See here as placing. This is radius, it is going to indicate you R, and for your diameter it is showing you the diameter symbol. Right. So this is center mark we have seen. Right, radius we have seen. Now we got the angular. Angular is nothing but what is the angle between the two lines. Right, it is not only give you the between the two lines, right, whatever the inclination is there. See, now I am taking perpendicular line. For example, I will take one bisector line also for this right angle. So what I will do, I will take one more line over here. By switching off my ortho mode, I was taking this one. So I want to check out what is the angle between these two lines, and I want what is the angle between these two lines, and I want what is the angle between these two lines. So then what I can do is just I will type DAN, or I can select from the toolbar this one. So when I select this one, it is going to say me that select the arc, circle, line, so or specify vertex. So it is asking me line. So here I got only line. I will show line with respect to line, and I will show with respect to circle, and I will show with respect to arc also. See, now I am going with respect to line. When I was choosing the first line, so it is asking me select the second line. See, this is my second line. When I was taking over here, the angle between these two lines is 90. The same way if I want to go with respect to, see here again I was taking the angular. What is the angle between these two? See, it is showing me the 66. If I want what is the angle between these two, again go in the angular, opt the first case, and second case you can place over here. The angle between these two is 24 plus 66, you are going to get the 90 degree. Right. So this is how you are going to find with respect to line. The same way if I got an arc, if I want to find out what is the angle between these two. See, if I was drawing one line, so what is the angle between these two, this small arc, then what I need to do, I need to go in the angular arc. So you just select the object and drag towards the center. So you are going to find out what is the angle between these two lines, that is your 110 degree. For example, if you are going with respect to circle, right, the same way circle is there. If you are going with respect to your angular dimension, if I was clicking here, you can, now it is asking me specify this second angle end point. See here, if I was opting here, see, it is showing me 110 degree. From this point to this point, the angle is 110 degree. So it is going to work with respect to line or curve or your circle. Alright, so one more last command is there, ID command. ID command is nothing but, for example, I was drawing some line, random line over here. So if I want to know what is the coordinate value of this particular starting of this line, if you want to know what is the coordinate at this particular case, then what I need to do is you just type ID and press space or enter. It is going to ask you specify the point and where you want, at what point you require the coordinates. For example, I was just tapping on the starting point of this one. It is going to indicate me the x and y values. It is not going to show me the z value because I was working with respect to 2D AutoCAD, so there will be no z axis. So it is going to indicate me the x and y coordinate value for this starting line on this line. Right. So wherever if you are plotting, if you want any coordinate lines, then you just type ID and press enter and pick that particular point. You are going to get the coordinates value for that particular line. If you got any doubts, comment me in the section. Definitely I will help you out. Thank you guys.